Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the option Allow Steam Networking to Share IP Address, which is an important setting related to your privacy and online security while gaming on Steam. Firstly, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click on the Steam menu. From the drop-down list, click on Settings, which will open a new settings window with several options. Now, in the left side panel, click on the In-Game section. After opening the in-game settings, scroll a little until you find the option called Steam Networking. Here, you will see a setting named Allow Steam Networking to Share IP Address, which controls how your IP address is shared during online multiplayer sessions. In this section, you will get multiple options such as Default, Never, Friends, and Always. If you select Never, your IP address will not be shared, which is best for maximum privacy. Choosing Friends means your IP address will only be shared with people on your friends list, while Always allows Steam to share your IP address during all networking sessions. You can choose the option that suits your needs depending on whether you prioritize privacy or smoother connectivity in multiplayer games. Once you select your preferred option, the settings are saved automatically, so there is no need to click any extra button. That's it, you have successfully enabled or disabled Steam Networking IP sharing. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.